Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. This contempt petition has been filed by the original plaintiff under Article 129 of the Constitution of India, read with Sections 12 and 14 of the Contempt of Courts Act 1972 and read with Rule 3 of the Rules to Regulate Proceedings for Contempt of the Supreme Court 1973 in reference to the order dated 22nd February 2019 passed by this court in SLP numbers 5147 of 2019 and 5350 of 2019, which reads thus: Stop. We are not inclined to interfere with the special leave petition. Stop. However, we accede to the request made by the petitioner to grant 4 weeks' time to vacate the suit premises. Stop. That shall be subject to payment of all the outstanding dues, arrears, and filing undertaking before this court within 2 weeks from today. Stop. It is made clear that if the premises are not vacated as per the undertaking, it will be viewed sternly. Stop. The special leave petition is disposed of accordingly. Para. The grave man of the grievance of the petitioner original plaintiff is that the respondent failed to file undertaking as also to pay the outstanding dues before vacating the suit premises and further caused damage to the property before handing over possession thereof to the petitioner on 22nd March 2019. Stop. Thus, the respondent committed willful disobedience of and violated the directions given by this court wide order dated 22nd February 2019. Stop. Shorn of unnecessary factual details, suffice it to observe that the petitioner had filed the aforementioned suit for permanent injunction, possession, and for recovery of rent and damages mesne profits till the recovery of possession in respect of the property bearing number 41/24 Delhi against the respondent. Stop. The respondent defendant, on the other hand, filed a suit being CS within bracket OS number 1592 of 2014 in the High Court against Splash Island Private Limited and its two directors, seeking permanent injunction restraining them from infringing the trademark acquired by the respondent. Stop. CS within bracket OS number 2041/2014 was eventually disposed of on 30 June 2015 on the basis of settlement arrived at between the parties on 28 May 2015. Stop. As per the said settlement, the respondent had agreed to vacate the suit property on or before 31st December 2017 and hand over peaceful and vacant possession thereof to the petitioner herein. Stop. The respondent was permitted to take away civil structures and movable fixtures installed by it in the suit property. Stop. It could also offer the same to the petitioner for consideration on or before September 2017. Stop. The petitioner would have sole discretion to purchase the same or not. Stop. The agreement also records that an amount of rupees 25 lakhs deposited by the respondent with the petitioner as security amount without interest shall be returned to the respondent after handing over the vacant peaceful possession of the suit property. Stop. The parties also agreed for revised monthly rent and the respondent paid the outstanding dues in terms of the said agreement by way of checks and future rent by way of post dated checks. Stop.